BadgePass, and what we're going to do today is look at how to set up issuance rules. Issuance rules are really just an easy way to set up your badge templates for when you issue your IDs. So to get started, let's go ahead and sign into the BadgePass One portal and set these up based on a variety of different apps. So here you'll see that when you select the apps button, you'll notice the different apps that you have here. You may have different apps for different workflows or locations. You can set up rules for every single one of these. In this example, we're just gonna go ahead and select this employee badging app, and you'll notice that the set issuance rules button is right there. So we can go ahead and select that and hit that plus button. That just allows you to set up a new rule. Now from here, what you'll want to do is select that entity field button and then select next. Here what it's going to do is you're going to be able to select the criteria in which you want this badge to populate the template for. So in most cases, active status set to true will enable that badge design for it to populate. If you have any questions on how the different criterias may work, if you do not want to use active status, definitely reach out to us. We can get you in contact with one of our experts to see what best fits your organization. From here, what you'll go ahead and do is hit that next button, and it's going to ask you a series of different questions. Maybe it's to confirm if you don't want to add another condition, or just to verify accuracy for a variety of different rules here. So next, what you'll do is select that credential. When you select that credential, you'll need to select the variety of different credentials you may have created in your system, whether that's just for a simple ID badge, or maybe it's one with access control. You can go and set these up under the credentials section. If you haven't looked at our video on how to set up credentials, this is a good time to go look for that and see how to set it up, since you'll need to be able to select a credential in order to continue. So from here, I'm just going to select a standard ID badge and then hit next. From here, you'll also go ahead and select that badge design that you've already created in our BadgePass Studio. You can look at our videos on how to design these badge designs. It's really easy to go ahead and get these set up on your system, and then you'll select next. From here, you'll notice that you actually have the option to select a variety of different issuance methods, whether that's maybe a GoPrint account, or maybe it's even having a printer on site. If you have a printer on site, you'll notice that it'll be in the selection here. So once you make that selection, you'll go ahead and select next. From here, what you'll do is confirm that the information is correct, and if it is, you'll just hit yes. From here, what you'll actually do is just confirm if you want to add another credential to the list of conditions, or if you want to go ahead and proceed. So here, in this case, we'll go ahead and select no, since we don't want to add another credential to the list of conditions. And then here, all you got to do is just label the rule and go ahead and confirm. Once you do that, it'll ask you if you want to create a new rule. You can select no, and you'll notice that now you have an issuance rule available for your app. Now, if you have any more questions on how to set up these issuance rules, or how it can better cater to your organization, please reach out to us. We're always here to help, and we can get you in contact with somebody that can really customize this system for your organization.